Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you forgot or missed an appointment. You should say what the appointment was for, who you made it with, why you forgot or missed it, and explain how you felt about the experience. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Time is money, which simply means that it is a valuable resource and therefore it is always better to do things in a prompt manner. And I follow this simple motto in my daily life. But today, I would like to talk about an occasion when I was unpunctual and could not make it on time for my passport appointment. So prompt means fast. Unpunctual means to be late. So now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. I vividly remember that last year, after the completion of my final exams, I had left home a bit earlier than my usual time to avoid delays on the road as I commute using public transport. So, commute means to travel from one place to another. Moreover, after reaching halfway through, I met with a huge traffic jam and came to know that some accident had taken place on that same route and none of the automobiles were allowed to pass through. So automobiles means vehicles or cars. Additionally, all the vehicles were diverted to a different way which was longer than the regular route. Moving further, I was really tensed as I was getting late reaching the passport office and was very disheartened as I had put in a lot of hard work and dedication to prepare all the documentation for my appointment and did not want my efforts to go in vain. So disheartened means sad. Did not want my efforts to go in vain means did not want my efforts to go wasted. Finally, I reached the passport center about 2 hours late and explained the situation to the receptionist, who did not allow me to meet the passport officer as he had other appointments scheduled for that time slot. I felt down in the dumps as I had to reschedule my appointment, which was about 3 weeks later, resulting in a lot of delay. So, fell down in the dumps means to be very sad, and it's an idiom. Thank you for your time, everyone.